everyone, today I would like to make a photo frame using cardboard and rubber paper. So, if you guys want to know how to make it, keep watching this video.
The things that you need are cardboard, wrapping paper, ribbon, double tape, glue, cutter, scissors, pen, and the last, ruler.
After you prepare all of the things that you need, the first step that you should do is make some lines that form a rectangle. You can use a photo to help you measure it. Then, cut the bar cardboard using cutter and ruler. This will be the size of the frame, depending on how wide you want it to be. Make it a few inches bigger than the picture on each side. After that, cut a rectangle out of the middle of the cardboard. This cardboard will be the front of the photo frame. The next step is take the other cardboard and adjust the size with the cardboard that you have adjusted size to the photo. This cardboard will be the back of the photo frame. Then, give the double tip to the cardboard used as the front frame. After that, put down the cardboard on the wrapping paper. Next, cut the wrapping paper to make it easier to wrap all of the cardboard surfaces. Then, attach the cardboard that used as the front frame with the back frame. After that, make a small rectangle to hold the ribbon. Finally, tape the ribbon to the back of the frame using glue with the small rectangle cardboard to hold it.
So, there's it. Thank you so much for watching.